There are 5. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa salatu wa salamu ala Sayyidina Muhammadin. An-Nabi al-Arabi al-Ummi al-Amin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. All praises due to Allah. Peace and blessings be upon the Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Again, on Thursdays, as you know, we have this tajweed class. And we said before that repetition is the mother of skill. Repetition is the mother of skill. As long as you are repeating, reciting, reading the Quran, inshallah one day will be perfect. Inshallah you come to stand in this place and to lead the prayers, and I will go away. So inshallah, just practicing. Every time I have to remind you of the ghunna, mad and qalqala. Why? Because they are the basic rulings. The basic rules of tajweed are ghunna, mad and qalqala. If you just practice these 3 rules, your recitation will take another shape or another form. Okay? So again, ghunna, when it comes with noon or mim with shadda, we have to make this long ghunna. Inna, fa'amma, thumma, jahannam. Wherever you find it, in Surah Al-Baqarah, in Surah Al-Isra, in Surah Al-Kahf, in Surah Al-Kafirun, in any surah of the Quran, they are the same. The rules is repeating all over the Quran. Okay? And then the rules of mad. We said before that when you find alif, waw, or ya, and you look after this letter, if you find hamza, you will make 4 counts. Of course, we say 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, but you cannot make this all the time. I give you just this way to make it easy for you to practice. But as time goes, you have to feel it. Okay? Like this. وَالسَّمَاءِ الْمَلَائِكَةِ. I don't have to count. Okay? But just you have to practice. Okay. When we find this alif, for example, ya or waw, and hamza in one word, we make it 4 counts, and we name this mad al-maddu al-muttasil. Combined mad. Combined meaning that the letter of mad and hamza are in the same word. Okay? If we find the letter of mad, alif, waw, or ya, at the end of a word, the last letter, and hamza immediately after it, but at the beginning of the next word, they are the same. Also, you need to make 4 counts. Like we will make here. Let me use the pen. Bismillah. Illa an. Okay? Here you find that alif and hamza are in the same word. They are 4 counts, and we name this kind of mad, or this type of mad, al-maddu al-muttasil, combined mad. And here, this alif, so can you see? This alif with waving sign, alamatul mad, and hamza at the beginning of the next word. But in fact, it comes immediately after the alif, right? So we'll make also 4 counts. But we name this type, they are 2 words, illa, an. When we continue, illa, an, also 4 counts. But we name this al-mad al-munfasil, separated mad. Al-munfasil, separated mad. Okay, but they are the same when it comes to practice. So today, inshallah, we'll come to practice this ghunna with noon and mim, and al-mad al-muttasil wal-munfasil, combined and separated mad with 4 counts for both types, and al-qalqala. And also we will spotlight on al-qalqala. In fact, I chose this surah Al-Buruj, because almost every single verse has qalqala. Okay? Maybe one verse is excluded from the whole surah. Okay? So, Al-Buruj. Jim, this letter Jim, in fact has kasra. But we make sukoon. Why we make sukoon? Because we stop. When we stop at any word in the Arabic language, we should have to make sukoon. When we make sukoon, we know that qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. 5 letters. Let me write them here just to remind you. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. One of these letters comes with sukun, or at the end of sentence or at the end of verse we make sukun for stopping, so we will make qalqala. Okay, now let's practice. I read first, inshallah, and you just follow, listening and watching. Okay, I should have to say first, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم, and بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I can't skip بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم because we in fact start surah, right? والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود إذ هم عليها قعود وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. So easy, inshallah. Okay, today, inshallah, all of you will practice from your place. You don't have to come here. Okay? Okay, we'll start with you. Yes. Start from the right, on the right side. You. Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود إذ هم عليها قعود وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Okay, Jazakallah khairan. If you want to, for every one of you, just to read one ayah, and you continue, you know? Okay, please. Yes? Next? Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء ذات البروج واليوم الموعود وشاهد ومشهود قتل أصحاب الأخدود النار ذات الوقود.
Okay, Jazakallah khairan for here, and inshallah we'll continue, all of you, to have this time. Jazakallah khairan. Please, the next, وشاهد. Yes, next you, please. Yeah.
وشاهد ومشهود.
Yes, okay. Again, another ayah.
قتل أصحاب الأخدود.
Yes, al-ukhdud. The last letter was qalqala. It should be that heavy, that strong. Al-ukhdud. Strong, okay?
أخدود.
Yes, Jazakallah khairan. Next.
النار ذات الوقود.
Okay, Jazakallah khairan. Next, please. Yes. ذات yeah, again.
النار ذات الوقود.
ذات الوقود. Maybe this. Sorry for this. This lam, okay? Again.
النار ذات الوقود.
Again, please. النار ذات الوقود.
النار ذات الوقود.
Okay, next, please. Okay. Okay, you please. إذ هم
عليها قعود.
جزاك الله خير. Next.
وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود.
Yes, شهود.
وما نقموا
I just جزاك الله خير. Just want this dal to be strong. شهود. As you know when you give this punch. Next, please. وما نقموا. Okay, can see. Okay, next. جزاك الله خير.
وما نقموا
منهم. Sorry, this mean. Yes. Yeah.
منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا
Yes. بالله
بالله
العزيز حميد. جزاك الله خيرا for attempt. جزاك الله خير. Next, please. الذي.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد.
You see, he's very smart. He uses mushaf, you know. And he also practicing another rule. He said, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, just because in the middle of surah. Now he's okay. Next, please.
إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Okay, ولهم عذاب الحريق.
ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Yes, okay. جزاك الله خير. Now, inshallah, I will read and you repeat after me. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
والسماء ذات البروج. واليوم الموعود. وشاهد ومشهود. قتل أصحاب الأخدود. النار ذات الوقود. إذ هم عليها قعود. وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود. وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد. الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد. إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق. You know, I am supposed to read the whole verse once, but I just divided it to let you, inshallah, read all together. Okay, but please don't feel bored. We have to practice every time. We have to repeat again and again. Just, inshallah, we have this purpose to read the Quran very well, to recite it the way the Prophet ﷺ was reading and was reciting. Yes, it takes some time. In fact, long time. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to do that. But you have to do your best. Inshallah, all over the week. You have to read, you have to listen. Again, the key for good reciting is listening. Listening is the key. If you don't listen to the Quran in this way, as I was reading right now, you can choose whatever shaykh or whatever qari from the internet you want. But without listening, you will not do anything. To be honest, without listening, it will be very difficult. Listen again and again and again every day. Okay, inshallah, you will come to practice very well. Please, yes? Shaykh al-Husari. Yes, that's very good. I just leave the option for you because some people may have this, want to listen to some shaykh with good sound, with good voice. Sorry, I forget about both of you to read. I'm sorry for that. Excuse me, if you want to practice, okay.
I'm just listening.
Just listening. You're a guest. Okay. Okay, inshallah, see you next time. Inshallah, jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.